everyone, Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. If you have been waiting for the perfect mix of stunning architecture, modern conveniences, and active amenities, I am excited to present this one-of-a-kind, modern, mid-century masterpiece. Located on a quiet crescent in beautiful Woodstock, this 70 by 120 foot property with a backyard oasis backs onto Roth Park and the walking trails along Pittock Lake. We're just minutes to all amenities and there is easy highway access. Welcome to 638 Durham Crescent. This spectacular 4-level backsplit has been completely rebuilt from the studs, including new windows and a double garage. The main level features this open concept kitchen, dining, and living space with a cathedral ceiling, original wood beams, and beautiful white oak hardwood. Step down to a gorgeous family room with a wet bar, built-in cabinetry and fireplace, and 3 sets of screen sliding patio doors with breathtaking views. There's also a private office space and a 3-piece bath with a glass shower. The upper level has 2 spacious bedrooms, including a stunning primary with a 5-piece ensuite privilege and a separate dressing room. Lower level offers a large studio or office space that can also be used as a 3rd bedroom. There's a recreation space, as well as plenty of storage. Outside, there are multiple entertaining spaces to host your family and friends. Relax by the heated in-ground pool or take a long walk by the lake on the walking trails that you can access right from your own backyard. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.